What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your Rockstream Pro dual pattern USB LED microphone. As you can see, it comes with the microphone itself already attached to its stand to hold your microphone on any desktop or table, an attachable USB-C to USB-A or USB-C cable, a mic stand adapter piece to hold the microphone onto different types of stands, our very own iUSB adapter for your iPhone or iPad, and a pop filter for the microphone which already comes attached to the mic itself. Now we have the ability to angle the mic in any direction we want by loosening these knobs here on the side and tilting the microphone in any direction you want to have it in. You can also detach the microphone from the stand by loosening these knobs all the way and taking them out. From there you can attach the microphone onto different types of stands by using the thread on the bottom of the microphone. You can also use this microphone adapter piece so that the microphone can fit onto different types of stands. And you can even attach the bottom base of the stand by pressing this button here on the back. Now the pop filter on this microphone is going to help with all of the plosive sounds that come out of our voice like the P's, T's, K's, etc. But in case you want to take it off, it just slides right off like so. And whenever you want to put it back on, you just slide it back in. So now to connect your microphone to your computer, we're going to start by plugging in the included USB cable. You're actually going to want to feed the USB cable through the bottom of the stand so that this way it can fit through the crease here on the back of the base. Then you're going to want to plug in this USB-C end into the bottom of the microphone like so. Then you'll want to take the other end and use either the USB-A connection or the USB-C connection, depending on what kind of computer you have. For this computer, I'm going to want to use the USB-A end. You'll know it's working when the LED light inside of the microphone lights up blue. The microphone also has a headphone jack so we can plug in our headphones and hear everything back. You're just going to take your headphones and plug them into the headphone jack at the bottom of the mic. Again, we can feed it through the bottom so that the wire fits right into this crease here. Then you can use the top knob here to adjust the volume coming out of your headphones. Another really cool feature on the Rockstream Pro is the ability to change the polar pattern of the microphone. What this means is that we can have the mic pick up sound in two different ways. When we have the button in the up position, this sets the microphone into cardioid mode, which has the mic pick up sound from the front of the microphone. And when we press this button down, this sets the mic into bidirectional mode, which has the microphone pick up sound from the front and the back of the microphone. Now, whether you're using this microphone for recording or video chatting, you'll want to go into the sound settings of your computer and switch the input and output device to rock. You can also do this in the sound settings of whatever DAW you're using. For example, if you're on a MacBook using GarageBand or on a Windows computer and using Audacity, all you'll want to do is go into the sound settings and switch the input and output device to rock, and then you'll be able to see the level coming through in the program. Now, in case your computer doesn't recognize the microphone right as you plug it in, you can try unplugging the microphone from your computer, waiting 30 seconds, and then plugging it back into the USB port. And in case that trick doesn't work, you can always try unplugging your microphone, then restarting your computer, wait another 30 seconds, and then plug your microphone back in. Now, to get your microphone to pick up signal, you're gonna want to raise the volume knob here, and as I'm doing that, you should be able to see the signal coming through my program. And then whenever you're ready, you can arm the track of the program you're using and hit record. Check 1, 2, this is Perry from Rockville testing out my Rockstream Pro USB LED dual pattern microphone. Now we also have a mute button we can use whenever we don't want the microphone to pick up any noise. So I can press down on this mute button here, and you'll notice the LED inside the microphone turn red, letting us know that the mic is in mute mode. And you'll be able to notice too, there's no signal coming through my channel. Now, just a reminder for video conferences or classes, you'll want to make sure to go into the sound settings of whatever app you're using like Zoom or Skype and set the input and output device to rock, or else the microphone won't be able to pick up any sound and you might not hear anything coming out of your headphones either. Now, the Rockstream Pro also has a noise suppression mode, which would be great to use in a room with a lot of background noise. So if you're in a room that's really hot and you need a fan to cool you down, the noise suppression mode will really help when recording with the fan in the room. To set the mic into noise suppression mode, all we're gonna do is hold down the mute button until the LED on your microphone lights up green. Now this way the microphone will only pick up sound that's directly in front and suppress everything that's in the background. So here we have a perfect example. I've got a loud fan right next to me here that's also getting picked up by the microphone. So in order to fix that, I'm gonna switch the mic into the noise suppression mode by holding down the mute button. And now if I talk into the microphone, you'll be able to hear my voice nice and clear while the noise coming from the fan is being suppressed. Now while you're talking or singing directly into the microphone with noise suppression mode, you might need to be mindful of the gain stage that you set your mic to, because while you get so close, it also gets pretty loud, so you might need to compensate by lowering the gain a little bit so you get a nice clean vocal. And while we have the mic set to noise suppression mode, we're still able to mute the microphone by pressing the mute button here, and then you'll know your microphone is muted when the LED turns red. Now we can also use the Rockstream Pro with an iPhone or iPad by using our very own iUSB USB-A to Lightning dongle. What this does is bypasses the built-in microphone of your iPhone or iPad, so we can use a USB microphone like the Rockstream Pro when recording audio or video chatting for better sound quality overall. To show you how this works, I'm just gonna take the dongle end and plug it into my iPad here. Then I'll take the USB-A end of my cable and plug it into the USB-A port here on the adapter piece. And as we did that, you'll see that the microphone turned blue, letting us know that it's working. So if I go to record here on my iPad, you'll notice a huge difference in sound quality because we're using the Rockstream Pro instead of the built-in microphone of the iPad. Now you'll actually be able to tell if the signal coming to the microphone is too loud because the LED light will turn red, letting you know that it's too loud. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your Rockstream Pro dual pattern USB LED microphone. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.